Hey guys, this is Jody with Only Have One Life to Live, and in this video we're going to look at the 2024 Brinkley Model Z fifth wheel. Okay guys, this is the Brinkley Model Z. We're going to go in it here in just a second, but first we'll look at the storage in here. Full pass-through, and that's open to the inside. There's access to all of the inside of the RV.
General, we've talked to the guys over across the way about it.
Everything you need to know about this video is in the description below. In front here, you got a generator bay, solar charge controller, a Furrion, battery box, boondocking lights, and on the side here you've got a standard Nautilus water system. Remember to like and subscribe. It costs you nothing, but it means the world to us. No, you're fine.
Your partner.
And this has got, the Model Z's got two slides on this side as well. A little bit larger slides here. 50 amp power source. All right, let's go inside here and see what we got.
Let's go in.
All right, this is the Brinkley Model Z 3100 2024. Show price $84,995. Standard price $100,458. So here we go inside. Hey guys, let us know in the comments below what you think about this RV. Let's make a right. We've got the bathroom in here. Storage, bath, bedroom, place for washer dryer, or closet if you don't have a washer dryer. Again, hey, hold out. That seems kind of squirrely, not as straightforward as it ought to be. When you pull it out, it sort of wobbles on you. Pushing it in, it sort of wobbles on you too. You can kind of see it has a tendency one side or the other to come out, but even when you push it back in the center, one side goes in, the others don't. Hey guys, if you'd like a more detailed video, just click the link on the top and we'll make sure we get you over to a more detailed video. The way it is, I guess. All right, and down here. And here we've got the kitchen and living room area.
There's always going to be something.
Three burner stove and oven.
If I look too much,
Sink.
somebody will keep me in check.
You got that right.
I don't have that
Somebody
problem.
has to.
Yeah, now you'll hear differently. Right?
Somebody has to.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.